Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have an exponential equation, actually a quick one. 2 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of 2 is our question. Let me write this left hand side. Since this is a subtraction, we can write this as 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power 2 squared. This is equal to 2 to the power x minus 2 squared again. If we cross multiply this, we will have 2 to the power x is equal to actually 2 squared times 2 to the power x minus 2 squared times 2 squared again. Now let me do the operations here. We have 2 to the power x is equal to, this is 4 times 2 to the power x minus this is 2 to the power 4, or 4 times 4 is 16. Now if we just isolate 2 to the power x term, we will have 16 this side and 4 times 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x. So from this we can write again 16 is equal to 4 times this minus 1 times this is equal to 3 times 2 to the power x. Dividing by 3, we will have 16 divided by 3 is equal to 2 to the power x, and x is equal to log 2 of 16 divided by 3. This is the final result for our x. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.